Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the active theme name in Appearance right arrow themes so you do not delete the live theme by mistake. Once done, make a full backup of files and the database, or at minimum export WP content/themes. Make sure you have FTP/SFTP or cPanel access with credentials ready. This is how you will remove theme files. You will also want to install or activate a safe temporary theme, so Wordpress has a fallback before deleting files. Now you deactivate the target theme by activating a different safe theme. Wordpress must not be using the theme you delete. Then connect via FTP/SFTP or cPanel and navigate to WP content/themes. Locate and delete the theme folder. This removes all theme files. Make sure to also remove any child theme folders and related uploads inside the theme folder. If file permissions block deletion, adjust to 750. Finish by clearing any server and plugin caches, then test both the front end and admin area to confirm the site runs with the new theme. Make sure to search the database for leftover theme options, widgets, or custom tables, and remove them only if you are confident. If something goes wrong, restore your backup immediately. Check error logs to isolate the issue, and make incremental fixes. This prevents prolonged downtime and preserves site integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.